you hate that one friend? Rakala Hakushiga. Hey, it's good after like Abba was.
Good luck. Yes. رحت الدكتور أشوف الناس smoke so much مدينة دوب في الجايم أنا مدمن زي.
Hey Abdi, can I sit here?
Yeah, sure, I don't mind.
Oh, excellent. You know it's lunchtime, right? You can eat.
Yeah, I knew that.
Are you serious? This guy wants me to eat right now. Fuck.
My mother made this just the way I like it, with the crust cut off.
Bruh.
Are you gonna eat anything? Oh wow, that looks ethnic.
I just really hate when I'm gonna hang out with someone and they always gotta tell me last minute, hey, this person's gonna hang out with us or this person's gonna join us. Like, that's stuff you're supposed to tell people ahead of time. You don't just tell people that 5 minutes before you're about to, like, pick them up and hang out with them. Like, what? Then you just expect me to be okay with that. That's just rude. That's completely disrespectful because that's just stuff that I don't want to walk into the car and I just be like, hey, you random other 3 people that came out of nowhere, didn't even know you guys were gonna show up. It's just awkward.
When people come up to you and ask, do you speak Islamic?
For the next 12 hours, all crime is legal.
فرح صبح أباوسه.
حليم سوق
أبايو وا كجعلها وكاهلة وقروا أقرصو
Somalia برتويل كوريا.
I don't want no nice. A nice is a guy that can get no number from me. Sitting on the opposite side in Cleopatra smoking pipe, trying to holler at me.
arkan u ilmaynaya.
Mom, are you serious? Who is this chick? What are you even doing?
Speak French, but I'll tongue you down.
Boyfriend right now. Hoya Angela, so you're gonna be her boyfriend. No. Her boyfriend. No, Breeze, you stay, calm down. He doesn't have Breeze yet. You have Angela, right? Are you ready to meet your boyfriend?
Are you serious? This like a brother to me. I have a passport, yeah, I know her.
Oh my gosh, this is even awesome. I don't have to do any introducing thing. Angela, meet your girlfriend.
I need a girlfriend in China.
You said you were gonna go all up on girls this year. I guess not. I love you.
War hello. Assalamu alaikum. Ha, my fajr baddow. Ya why? Ya. Hamdi Ethiopia joogtaa. نما وقت النص وعصا وكبر بلنتاي هاتي عما يسوق وانكعي سوق وانكعي سوق
Habeni Malin, we're always letting Qabil get in the middle. We're always doing something because of our Qabil, or killing someone or whatever, harming someone, just not physically but also emotionally because of qabil. But think about this. The day we put qabil to the side and start loving one another, that's the day that Somalia will truly find peace, and will find peace in our heart as well. Somali nabada noqon doontaa maalinka qabil dhinaca dhigno. So start loving one another.
Bang, bang into the room. Know you want it. Bang, bang all over you. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, let me take you there.
Rising up, back on the street. Did my time, took my chances. Went the distance, now I'm back on my.
Like I told Tish, I see when I shot niggas. Like you seen him twirl, then he drop, nigga. And we keep the
just a man and his will to
stay with me. Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see.
When you try to explain to your parents why you got bad grades.
Bruh.
When your mom says you're going to Dubai, but you end up in Africa.
Bruh.
When there's biris and no mosque.
Bruh.
Goes to Tarawih, prays 2 rakah, then leaves.
Bruh.
When you lose the rest of the pieces on your puzzle.
Bruh.
Squad. Now you just got matching socks, bitch ass nigga. Squad. Nigga dance. Real niggas got them squad. Niggas got them matching socks, nigga. Niggas got them matching socks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Anyway, guys, we're gonna get to that, bruh.
الله ينكرك قبتها دخل عيسى وباتها سوماليا الكاتورة هذا دخل على سبحان هذا دخل هرمانيسا وباتها لاس فيغاس الكاتورة
Formidable, formidable. Tu étais formidable, j'étais formidable.
It was nice seeing you, Howard. I gotta go to school ban haysta. School ban leeyahay de. School kaada baa iskale. Which one is dummy though?
Are you to Money Services? How may I help you today? Hi, Mohammed. Let me just pull up your account. Last name, Mohammed, and date of birth, please, for confirmation. 01/01/1971. All right. Wow. Looks like you have an outstanding bill of $5,000 that you haven't paid in the past 5 months. Yeah, you know, just a reminder, we did close your account because this is not our money, it's the people's money. And this is a U2 Money Services. We do not conclude with payment plans and stuff like that unless you want to pay today. You don't want to pay today? We accept Visa, MasterCard, and American Express? Okay, well then you have a great day.
We're gonna go chase some goose. Come up here first. Come up there first. We're gonna chase some goose. Come up there first. Ready, steady, go.
Hey, shit to a boss, you can have it all.